Hey guys, it's Yvette. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Barely. It is, I don't know, I think it's about 11:15 on December 2nd. We had a concert that we went to, and just so you know how old I am, my ears are still ringing. And I actually think that my inner organs are going to take a while to stop vibrating. Yes, I do. So we got home, and the very first thing that I had to do was put on my pajamas. I'm sorry, I just had to. So, yes, I'm in my pajamas. This is probably going to be the shortest Vlogmas post ever. At least for me, because I'm usually pretty verbose. So all I'm going to do tonight is I am going to open the advent calendars. I'm still calling them advent calendars, whatever it is they're calling them. I can't remember everything's name. Maybe by the time we hit to December 31st, I'll remember what they're calling their box. But for now, I'm just going to call them advent calendars, and I'm going to see what's in the 3 that I have. All right, so first, I'm going to just keep going in the same order. If y'all think that that's kind of silly and I shouldn't do that, then, you know, you can go ahead and comment on that below. And I'm going to open the cotton cuts first. So let me grab that one. And yes, I did make a cup of coffee because I'm going to have to edit and then post the video. So it's not going to be as late as last night, but it's going to be a teeny tiny bit of a late one. Yeah. Fortunately, coffee, well, I don't know. Fortunately, unfortunately, I have no idea how you'd want to look at it, but coffee does not keep me awake. So don't fret. I will be fine. I can fall asleep standing up in a corner with my leg bent at a 90-degree angle and still go to sleep. So please don't worry. Okay. Jellybean is up. So here's the cotton cuts, day 2. Let's get it open. Jellybean, you're knocking all of mommy's fabric down, baby. No, don't. No, baby. It's not. It's very flimsy. Oh, no, Jellybean. Let me, okay, seriously. Okay, no, that's mommy's snack. You have a snack. Someone's trying to steal my snacks. You know what? If he actually ate them, that would be one thing. He just wants to lick everything and then leave it in there. Like I want to be licking kitty spit. Okay, so our little saying for today is be the person you want to have in your life. I try really hard. I do. I think I'm probably that person. Oh my goodness. I love this fabric. Look. Isn't that nice? Okay, I love this. That is such a nice blender. Okay. So that's my cotton cuts for today. Very excited with that one. Put this over here. And I'll close it back up. Because y'all know me. Oh, see, I couldn't be putting the lid on sideways. The stickers weren't going to line up. Don't want that to happen. Okay. Now we're going to do the Allison Glass sticker. As you recall, I'm not going to do this every time, I swear, guys. But that was our sticker for day 1. Now let me find day 2. Ooh, it's down here, right in this little area. So I'm going to get that door open. It's a camera. Oh my goodness. I love it. I like that. That is so cute. Y'all, this is going to be my favorite one. I can tell y'all right now, me and stickers, we like this. Okay. And now the crimson tape. I love it. Okay, let's see what's next. And this one. Okay, I think she goes in order. Yes. Look, number 2 in the Crimson Tate box. It's pink polka dots. Ooh. Is that meant for us? What is that? Okay, y'all, I have no idea. I could be losing my mind, but I'm telling you, this was right on top. This little thing, can you see that? It was folded up like origami, and then I just kind of popped it open a little. I don't know what it's supposed to be. If anything, maybe it was like, I have no idea. What does that look like? It looks like maybe a little flower seed pod type thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to see if anybody else is opening this and if they got a little seed pod in theirs. Because, okay, I'm gonna set it right there. Now, I got this fat quarter. I think this is, isn't this, oh, what was it called? Blueberry Park? Violet Craft? I don't know, but I loved it. I still love it. And I have some jelly rolls of it because I wanted to do a jelly roll race and like put one, like the more saturated colors on one side and then the more pastel colors on the other side. I have plans for those jelly rolls. Yes, I do. Yeah, I don't have the selvage that's got the print on it, but I think that that's what this is. I could be wrong. It's okay if I am, but it reminds me of that. Let's put it that way. It's reminiscent of. And then here is a solid to go with. It's sort of like a raspberry. I wouldn't say it's red. Definitely not coral. I would say raspberry. Okay, so those are my, I'm going to say winnings. Those are my winnings in the 3 advent calendars that I have, and tomorrow's going to be much better, guys. I promise. Today was just kind of a wild and crazy day. I wasn't expecting to go to a concert, and then bada boom, bada bing, there we were. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a lovely day. I'll be at work all day, just waiting for the day to end so that I can come home and make another video for y'all, because that's what I really enjoy doing. I'm trying to, something came to my mind. Was it, what's the song? Wishing and hoping and praying that the day will end so I can come home and make a video for you. I'm a little punch drunk. Anyway, see y'all tomorrow. Thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't already subscribed, please won't you consider doing so? I'd appreciate it oh so much. And I'll see y'all later. Mwah!